Alright everybody, welcome to the final part of the accelerators slash obliterator reviews where we're going to combine them all together. So we have them already in robot mode, and yeah, let's start. We're going to use Rapido for one of the legs, which kind of makes sense because he's a reluctant leader of sorts. Also because he probably helps increase the speed significantly. Yeah, so there's that. And here's another thing about it. It's like due to the pieces around the chest, it makes the arms like sort of sway out a little bit. So we're adding those filler pieces as we did with the strike on the side, sort of to help out with that. So yeah, just slide those there. That'll help give the arms more. And there's also those pieces there which help with the keeps the arms also in check. So as you can see, this helps with the articulation so that the other arm pieces don't get in the way, like all the door panels and whatnot. And there we go. There we have the obliterators. I mean, the obliterator, because there's only one, technically two, and the accelerators all together. And all those guns combined together. And this is actually because it kind of does look like an engine block, so it sort of goes back into that. And there we go. There we have the whole team together. Yeah, because these guys never combined officially like in any fiction, they didn't have a name, much like the other ones. So much like Apexor, Hyperdrive, and all the other teams that you've seen on this channel, we kind of went with the Axelspark for this. Spark being the other name for the obliterator, and Axel from the accelerator, so Axelspark. So yeah, it's neat how all these guns combined. They do sort of look like an engine block in a way, being all silver. And yeah, I got those off of eBay. Apparently, I believe they're the Matrix Workshop M9. They were made for the female Autobots, but yeah, I figured that they work quite well. And another reason all these molds were chosen was that they all have double ports, so they could all have the guns as well as the hand-foot pieces. Yeah. Originally, it's like when I got Pyro, though, I wasn't planning. It's like on making a team, sort of like as I read more into it, that sort of came about. I got the decal set, and once I teamed up with Cooljazz, it's like to sort of flush them out a little bit and basically paint the head, the chest, and the other head. That's how it sort of all came about. But yeah, overall it's very neat, and even the back, as you can see, nice and colorful. I also like using these arms because it kind of gives them a bit of symmetry of sorts. It's like with both the biceps and the shoulder pieces. So that's always like a really neat. So yeah, that's that's our final look at the accelerators. And yes, if you made it this far, like I was alluding earlier in the intro, this might be the last video I do for the year. So, kind of getting busy and all that. So, I just want to say, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you liked all this, leave a like, possibly a comment. Have a happy holidays, and I'll probably be back in January with something new. Have a good one, everybody. Later.